We've all come a long way from the college days when our main meal was ramen noodles and finding some change in the couch was like a payday. Having a stable job and some extra money in the bank is a great feeling. What feels even better is having a smart plan to spend and save that money wisely and to grow it for the future. The more you save now in your peak earning years, the sooner you will get to your ultimate goal of retirement. Here are 5 things you should consider exploring. Number 1, save 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses. Number 2, contribute the maximum to your company 401k plan and take advantage of any matching funds. Number 3, make sure you have the appropriate amount of life insurance to take care of your family. Number 4, set up a 5 to 9 savings plan for your children's college. It will come much sooner than you think. And number 5, have a plan in place to monitor your financial goals in order to reach the retirement date you're working towards. Seems like a lot to do. We understand. We know that's why a lot of people put off financial planning. But with a proper advisor, a lot of stress can be taken off your shoulders. It's easy to get started. We'll send you a list of what to bring to your first meeting. Then we'll guide you every step of the way. And the benefits could be well worth it. You wouldn't just plant a seed in the ground and walk away. You make sure it has the proper soil, water, and sunlight to thrive. At McGee Wealth Management, we can put you on a financial plan designed to help your wealth grow and build for the future. If you're ready to get started, give us a call today.